Because I'm a millionaire, I don't need for money.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Like, that's not the intro, but just the ad before. I didn't see an ad. That's the number one reason why I'm not making money, because I only have 10 subscribers. You join, I go to 1,000, and I start making money. Don't stop, don't. I don't need you to subscribe. Just click the link in the description. It's affiliate link from Amazon for this camera, this microphone, and this fancy light. Hey, fancy light, hey, fancy. Ooh. I don't have any products to refer to you to buy. I'm just using a phone. It's not even an iPhone, it's just a phone. I'm gonna drop a link for an iPhone. You buy it so I can get money. Even if you don't need iPhone, buy it for me. Send it to me on Instagram. I need an iPhone. Come on. Because that's the reason number 3. I'm not making money because I'm not selling you anything. I'm like Alex Hormozy. He have nothing to sell you, and I have nothing to sell you. But the reason 4, I am gonna sell you. Of course, I'm not like the Audi. I will. I promise. Remember my words. It's gonna be so expensive. I'm gonna scam all of you and all of me. For that, I need an iPhone to record a course series. I think we're done 4 reasons, so we're halfway there. I mean, like, reason number 5 right now, and there is only 10. I just lied on you in the timeline. I clickbaited you, told you to, come on, bro. I need the number 5 reason is like I need to learn how to make you click by like the title and the timeline, and I need to make good videos so you can stay to the end. Promise me you're gonna stay to the end? Promise? No. Nobody ever stay with me. That's why. Just like, come on, not alone. I don't want to stay alone. Come on, please, promise me. Please. Jack! Jack! Stay with me, Jack! No, this is a bad one, but like, whatever. Reason number 6. It's the YouTube thing. I think I need to figure out like how to make the videos like the YouTube formula. Wait a minute. Wait a second. I can't wait. I got the formula. This is what YouTube. This is what you want. No, small. Okay, I got another one. Lambo. Yeah. No, small. I thought you were. You're right. Gold digger. The algorithm. You're a gold digger. You want a big Lambo and a big cash and mash. I don't have. That's why you love Mr. Beast and others, because they got the cars, they got the money, they got the yummy and Miami girls. They got like the house, the pool. Yeah, algorithm. Gold digger. Take this algorithm. Grab the. I think, guys, I need to figure out how we're gonna get those. We need money. And I'm not making money on it, so what is the key to making money on it? What is the key to money? The key to the money. Wait, I need to find the key. Key, money. Key, money. If we reverse it, it's become the money, key. The money, key, money. Monkey. You need a monkey. I don't have a monkey. You need this monkey. This is how you make money on YouTube. Should I get a monkey?
While exploring the outskirts of the city, I discovered an abandoned super robot. It was then my life was transformed.
There's another way. We gotta find another way. We don't need monkey. This is reason number 6, I guess. Reason number 7. We got the real stuff here. I'm really bad with managing my focus time. Actually, I just like that. I'm all the way like TikTok, Instagram, other hobbies, life, Netflix. I'm doing some new series. Like, actually, I'm so good at. I'm really focused at distractions. That's how. So I'm like doing like some TikTok fame, some Instagram simp. Talking about Instagram. we like to, I mean, should be friend. We're not. We should. We could. We're like. So, do you want to? I can't hear you. Like, come on. Just you gotta go to private Instagram and tell me that. Don't type it. Vocal it. You know, like friendship requires some hard or like lips work. That's the kind of. You know what? Yeah, that was reason 8 or whatever, 7. I'm losing numbers here, track. We're close to the ending, and really, if you become a friend, I will make money, because that's the reason I'm not making money. Because friends do pay each other. You will pay me. You will, like, I don't know. If you need 1 hour to talk to a friend, I can be your friend. Okay, if it's 1 hour, I will do it for free. No, but if you want to learn about TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, stuff like that, building a business, money not making, I'm a good advisor of the stuff. You know, like I'm an expert. Just that will cost you. So kind of I would love to do consulting or like coaching on some like just advice and talk to you, just like this chat. This will cost you money, and I have nobody, no friend. That's why I'm not making any money. So that was 8 or 9 actually. This was 9. You know what? We passed one reason. Like we were just about the monkey stuff. We forget after the algorithm. The gold digger girl. She's also the reason why I'm not getting sponsored. Because I'm not getting recognized. If she helped me, push me on the TikTok, people will see me, companies will come to me and reach to me and pay me sponsored. So it's all about the algorithm. This is the highest reason why. This is the reason why. That song familiar. Alright, I think I got 9, 10, probably this is the number 10. This is the last one. Whoa, we're about to end. This is like the real reason why. Let me just... I didn't follow the rock advice, which is like, put it in the hour, put it in the hour, put it in the work, we just stay hungry weekday for. I mean, I am. Like, 1 second. This video is done here, and you can go to Instagram, you can be friend, or you can just that is my cholesterol. I really want this. Okay, let's do this. I'm just gonna give myself another 3 reasons, so at least I'm keeping my promise to myself. You can stay. I will consider it a VIP content only for subscribers. So you're welcome. You're invited. And this is the ticket to be in the VIP. It's the subscribe. You don't have to just. So I would say next video will be about Zach King. Okay, I will analyze his most viewed and most liked video on TikTok. Obviously, I'm TikToker. You can see there. That's the TikTok thing. I don't know why I put it in there. I don't have a good studio. Just yeah, in this channel. So you know there is this is number 2 reason. Number 3. I do love YouTube, and I know you like me so much. Love YouTube, but like we need to understand that, like, people are just using TikTok more. The consumers, the attention is in there, and you know what is the most valuable currency in the world? It's not Bitcoin. It's the video. It is attention. I just told you. So you need to understand, and I'm telling this to myself, really. I need to understand and learn how to capture, manipulate, meaning like increase, decrease the attention, and really target it somehow, you know, like that place, Edinburgh, and make people, I mean, this will help me grow, this will help me make money. So the game of attention. And if you're just saying, oh, it's just the algorithm wants Lambos and the algorithm wants money, and it's not the algorithm, just me. The algorithm won't push my content until I push it, so I need to push my content on my own. And the last thing I would say, just for you, My student. I forget it. Most of all going like, I don't have the voice, but my student, the secret of your future lies within your present. I don't know. It is not content. So yeah.